So today I'm going to walk you through the way that you view your transaction history on Venmo. If you're trying to know the payments that you received or made through your Venmo account, you can easily view them and look at the details as well. So to quickly do that, let's head over to Venmo. Now to view your transaction history on Venmo, what you need to do is tap on the Me section, which is on the bottom right of the screen. By default, when you open up your Venmo account, you'll land on the home page. But in order to view your transaction history, make sure you are on the Me section. Inside of the Me section, there are two options, which is the wallet and the transaction section. As you can see, inside of the wallet, it's going to show you your balance that you have available. In order to view your transactions, just tap on the transactions option. Once you tap on transactions, it's going to show you all of the transactions that you made on each date. So it's going to show you the year as well on the top, and it's going to show you the date wise transactions that you've made. Along with that, you also see a lock sign right here, which means all of these transactions are private, which means you and the receiver or the sender of this payment will only be able to view these transactions. What you can also do is tap on these individual transactions and you'll be able to view other information as well, such as the transaction details and the information of the payment that has been made previously if you've forgotten it. So you can view all of your information and track your transaction ID as well. So yeah, that's basically it on the way that you view your transaction history on Venmo. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video to be helpful. That's pretty much it for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.